So I did another poll, this time asking, was Black Wall Street rebuilt after it was burnt down? 83% of the people that took the poll said no, it wasn't rebuilt. It may be hard for you to believe this, but that's actually the wrong answer.
In barely 2 years after the 1921 massacre, every house and structure was rebuilt. By the third year, there were even more families and businesses. The era of Black Wall Street lasted from the 1910s until the 1960s, a victim of several factors, including, ironically, integration.
It existed all the way up until when? Integration. Who wanted us to integrate and for what reason? Remember, I talked about in that other video how the communists wanted to infiltrate us so that they could use us to tear down their enemy. They've made capitalism look like it doesn't work for us when it was working for us because they taught us a reverse system of economics.
The district was so successful that a dollar would stay within the district an estimated 19 months before being spent elsewhere.
We were doing it correctly, and then somebody convinced us to do it a different way. Who? Remember, in the book Color, Communism, and Common Sense, it talks about this plan of integration. The plan of integration was to handicap us so that we would be reliant on our communist saviors.
If the black man has $20 billion, and these so-called Negro leaders are such geniuses that they can integrate white restaurants and integrate white factories and force themselves into that which the white man has set up, they should use this same ingenuity to show the black people how to pool our wealth and set up something of our own.
Why don't you know it was rebuilt in 2 years? Why don't you know it thrived up until integration? Who does it benefit that you believe that? That's what you have to ask yourself. You can look this information up yourself. The pastor who recorded this footage, it's on YouTube.
29 silent black and white films documenting the thriving African American communities across Oklahoma from 1924 to 1928. The footage is considered to be the most extensive film records there are of Southern and urban black life at the time.
I encourage you to do your own research, and all opinions are welcome in the comment section. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
It was an economic powerhouse established wholly by black families, business leaders, and entrepreneurs less than 50 years after slavery ended.